So what is a natural way to help mood swings? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this awesome Balanced Mama essential oil roller bottle recipe to do just that. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here is the Oil Coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And hey, at any time during the video, check out show notes and links in the description below where I will share some additional helpful resources. Now let's jump into the video. So first of all, let's go over the ingredients and supplies that we'll need. So as our recipe card here calls for, we have our Balanced Essential Oil blend. So this is a blend of fractionated coconut oil, of hoe wood, spruce, frankincense, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus. Then we have our wild orange and our vetiver essential oils. Okay, so all three of these oils are great for balancing, for grounding, as well as uplifting. So they're going to be perfect for this recipe. And as the recipe calls for, we also have our fractionated coconut oil here, which will be our carrier oil that we'll be using to top off the bottle. And of course, lastly, I have here a 10 milliliter roller bottle with its roller insert and its cap. And I've went ahead and wrapped a label around this bottle so that when it's done and it gets mixed in with our other roller bottles, we'll be able to remember what's in this bottle. And it makes it prettier as well. So let's go ahead and finish out our recipe here. So as the recipe calls for, we're going to do 5 drops of Balance, 5 drops of wild orange, and 1 drop of vetiver essential oil. And then we're going to fill the bottle to the top with the fractionated coconut oil. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab our Balance, take the cap off, and we're going to do 5 drops of the Balance. All right, and then we're going to do 5 drops of the wild orange. All right, and then 1 drop of the vetiver. All right, and now we're going to top off the bottle with our fractionated coconut oil. Okay, and then we're going to grab our dropper top here, our roller top, pardon me, and we're going to just push it down until it clicks all the way in. And then you're going to grab your cap and just twist it on. And here you have it. You have your Balanced Mama roller bottle. Alright, I hope you got great value out of this video and that you'll find awesome benefits from using this essential oil recipe of Balanced Mama for a natural way to help mood swings. And actually, if you're brand new to essential oils and would like to try out one of my favorite oils, hop over to theoilcoach.net or check out the link in the description below where you can get one of my favorite essential oils for free. All you have to pay is a small shipping and handling fee, and I'll get that right out to you. So question of the day, what do you find most helpful in taking care of your mood swings? A specific blend of essential oils, an herb, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comment sections below. So thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't yet. And if you want to check out other videos from The Oil Coach, just click or tap the screen right there or there. Until next time, here at The Oil Coach, we're bringing you the best tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Take care, and we will talk soon.